I've had worse pasta at a lot of restaurants.
Hi everyone, my name is Mina. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the video. I got some requests for more dinner options, so that's what we're gonna do today. We have a pasta dish that's perfect for dinner. Fun fact, this is the pasta dish that's in the banner right there. I bet you didn't know that. So that's what we're gonna make today. If you have any suggestions of a dish that you want to see turned into a low calorie, high protein version, just drop a comment and let me know what it is. I've already gotten a few suggestions. I've had lasagna and burgers. The lasagna is already in the works and I'm already recipe testing it, so that's coming soon. For the pasta, we're going to use a chickpea pasta. This stuff has a lot of protein compared to the real stuff. Shout out to Remington James for this idea. Great pasta. For protein, I'm going to use a chicken sausage. This is from Costco. It's got a decent amount of protein to fat ratio. I'm just going to use 2 links. Vegetables, you can really use anything you want, but this is what I'm going to use. 2 mushrooms, 2 peppers, about half a red onion, a cup of spinach, Kalamata olives, cherry tomatoes, quarter cup of tomato sauce, real Parmesan cheese, not the stuff that comes in a bottle, and basil to garnish it with. 3 ounces of pasta, make sure that you weigh it out. When it comes to boiling the pasta, do not be shy with the salt in the water. This is the only way that the pasta is going to get seasoned, so don't be shy with the salt. Always give the pasta a stir so it doesn't all stick together. So while the pasta is on the stove and cooking, let's cut up all the vegetables and the sausage. This is a really important step to make the sauce later. Save about half a cup of the pasta water right before it's done. Before you start sauteing, make sure that you have everything next to you cut and ready. This is going to be a pretty fast process, so you want to have everything ready to go. We're going to start with a pan on medium to high heat. I'm going to put the protein in, or the sausage, whatever you're using, and then the onion. Now the trick here to build the flavor in the dish is to season as you go. Everything that goes into the pan has to be seasoned, everything. Then we're gonna do the mushrooms, season them. And always stir your vegetables. Add the peppers, season them. If you can, always use freshly ground pepper because you never know what that other stuff has, and when it was ground, it just doesn't taste that good. Next, cherry tomatoes and your spinach. Guess what? Seasoning. Add your olives, the tomato sauce, and we're gonna use the pasta water now. And you can turn the heat down just a bit, by the way. You don't want it to boil too hard. Now we have a sauce in the pan that the pasta could absorb. You want the pasta to absorb all that sauce that's in the pan and get all that flavor that we've been building up this whole time. Once the sauce is almost gone from the pan, turn the heat off and put the basil in, and then we're gonna grate the Parmesan on and we're done. So there it is. It's a pretty big plate. I'm not gonna lie, I snacked on it before while I was taking the thumbnail. You know, gotta have a pretty thumbnail. So gonna try this, see how it is. Oh, gonna have the calories and the macros on the screen for you guys. So trying to get a little bit of everything. Got the sausage, chickpea pasta, the pepper, mushroom, a tomato. It's really hard to tell. This is a chickpea pasta. It tastes like identical to real stuff. Cheese and the basil are a small detail, but they give the dish such a great depth of flavor. Filled with fiber to keep you full. I really like the olives in there too. I'm not gonna finish this right now. There's no way. It's like 12 a.m. right now at the time I'm filming this. I'm gonna give some to my brother and see how he likes it. You know, he doesn't really eat this way, but I just want to get his opinion, right? The opinion of someone who doesn't eat this way, and see if they like this food or not.
Well, it's nice, you know. Chickpea pasta tastes just like regular pasta. You got the vegetables, you got the sausage. Really nice. I've had worse pasta at a lot of restaurants.
If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you have any suggestions for a dish you would like to see in a low calorie, high protein version, drop a comment, let me know, and I will try my best to make that happen. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.